Man, let's go. Step out of the car. She's trying to flee right now.
Hi guys, welcome to another amazing video from Police Arrest Videos. I haven't seen it, so let's go. So before you get comfortable, take a moment to like the video and subscribe. But if only genially, you enjoy what I do here, and let me know in the comments. Where are you tuning in from, and what time is it for you? Because it's always fascinating to see who's joining us around the world.
And we didn't have enough time to go and find some other fancy fries. But we do have a video from Midwest Safety, and it is in line with our fries. Woman turns McDonald's drive-thru into a battlefield. We haven't seen it. Let's go.
Officer arrives at McDonald's, not because he's on break, but because someone's in the drive-thru.
Not because he's on break.
Right.
She's in the drive-thru. She don't move.
Is she right here at the window?
Yeah, the second window. She gave me the wrong code. I said, this is not the location. And she said, call your manager. I'm drunk. Like she's so like, she don't know.
She said she was drunk. Okay.
Second window.
Ma'am.
Oh, jeez. She is so drunk.
How you doing tonight, man? What's going on? Yeah, well, they try giving you your food. You don't want it. Then you need to get out of here. What? Did she pay for her food? Did you pay for your food yet, ma'am?
She's not gonna know.
She didn't know what's going on.
You have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get your ID, please?
Yeah, take my ID.
Thank you.
Where does the money go?
Say again?
Money?
It goes to them. What's going on?
Okay.
She is wasted.
If you can't see that she is wasted or drunk, police work may not be the job for you. This one, even anybody can. Yeah. Where do I pay for the food?
Where'd the money go?
How much?
Ask them. I don't know the bill.
No.
No.
Alright, I don't know you.
Ma'am, have you had anything to drink tonight?
My ex-girlfriend, I'm sorry.
No worries. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
Earlier, yeah.
How long ago?
Oh, we said
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, if you don't mind, can you step out of the car for me?
not really.
Well, you're going to have to, okay?
Yeah, I don't think that's necessary.
I do think it's necessary.
I love these people that just think they can just say, no, not really.
You use the word think,
Yeah, I know.
not thinking.
Yeah,
Real
it's
mistake.
true. Well, she says, I don't think it's necessary,
Yeah,
so
it's the
she's
problem.
supposedly thinking.
No.
Okay, well, I need you to step out of the car, all right?
What I think is necessary is like get my food.
All right, I'm going to ask you one more time. I need you to step out of the vehicle.
It's not good.
Alright, let me at least answer a person's call.
You can do that outside.
No, I'll do it.
I'm giving you one last chance. I need you to step out of the vehicle right now.
You can call the forces, whatever the
Man, let's go.
I did not see that coming.
I did not see that coming either. Goes to open the door, breaks the handle.
Oh,
Step out of the car.
Well, you got to break the window now.
Step out of the vehicle. I'm going to ask you one more time. I'm going to
Bust
I hope
it.
there's nobody behind her in the drive-thru. I'd be pissed.
Step out of the car.
She said break
Open
it.
the window.
Oh, he
Open the
will.
window.
He will. Very easily.
He is en route ambulance.
Busted, dude.
Ma'am, open the door.
I hear you!
Door.
I hear you!
Okay, then open the door. Let's go.
Break it.
Man, put the car in park. Put the car in park.
Bust it.
There's a little tool.
She's trying to flee right now.
You need the tool.
Yep.
Oh no, now he's in trouble. If she goes forward.
Juliet 140.
I need a unit at the east side of the McDonald's and the south side.
He's in the east side.
Clearly not her first time running over things.
It's probably tonight.
Probably, right. Who knows what other hit and run situations been happening.
She was fled down Davy Road Extension, southbound, gray Honda.
Davy Road Extension, southbound, and it's a gray Honda. Do you have a tag?
54. Her front bumper's entirely ripped off.
Which happened. It had to have happened. Puts glasses on, safety first.
I'm not sure that even breaking her window at that time would have helped. I think she would have. What is he going to do? Reach in, but then he'd get his arm ripped off.
I mean, look, there was nothing. Breaking the window, you're right, wasn't going to solve the situation there and then. It was only going to make things. She would have had a broken window fleeing the police.
Century vehicle crashed on a wheel.
Well, hope everyone's okay.
I mean, she was drunk.
Let me see your hands! Stop preaching! Yo, someone get passenger side. Get passenger side. I got passenger. Take it slow. Let's do it by the numbers, guys. All right. Watch.
Yeah, there's no hurry. Take it slow.
Yeah, she's stuck.
See,
she go forward.
She needs to go to prison for this.
Well, she really could have.
Let this turn into a barricade if it needs
hurt somebody.
Go for it. Go for it. No. Watch where he's reaching. He's reaching in the glove box. I see him. Don't worry.
So I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm more of that other mindset. Approach the vehicle. You don't know if she has a gun. You never know. She's so no propensity for getting out of the car. It's no indication.
No.
So pounce on the car, bust her windshield, drag her out of the car, hit her like just a storm, and get it
She
done.
won't know it hit her. Her reaction time's got to be bad.
I'm all for taking time sometimes, and then there's other times where you just got to just jump on. And so I'm more of the mindset of the other guy who was approaching the car.
All right, we got the drop if he's got anything. Let's just take this.
I keep calling her he.
Get that car out of there. Yo, watch crossfire.
Do not park there.
They're yelling at each other.
Hey, move that car.
Move your car. You're in the line of fire.
All right.
Is this the one agency? Do we not have protocols? Like everybody knows what's happening, or?
Nah, I mean, it could be multiple agencies.
Do we have an FTO happening? Like, what is going on?
I don't know if they're on the radio talking about it. The channel is probably closed right now, so the guy couldn't get on the radio and find out where he was supposed to be or not supposed to be. And you want to block the car in, but he can't see. It's dark. There's lights blaring everywhere. You don't know whether people have their guns out. I mean, you probably called out one at gunpoint. So,
hey, you're not going anywhere. Give it up.
She's still trying to rev the engine. That's alarming.
Pounce on the car.
No, it's Will's.
Okay.
Get out of the car with your hands.
See, they're going to end up having to do this anyway.
Put your hands up in the air and get out of the car.
Eat all your fries,
Yeah,
too.
please do.
Yeah, just get out of the car. It's over. Just get out of the car. It's over. You're going to jail. Get out of the car. You're not going anywhere. Get lethal right here. I'll get my shield. We'll smash the window. We're just going to extract it. Let's get ready.
It does look like multiple agencies.
She's reaching. She's reaching.
Let me see your hand.
Stop reaching.
Sue. She's got her phone. She's got her phone.
You guys drop your guns. We're gonna have lethal. She doesn't even have a door.
She doesn't even have a door handle, so.
I got lethal.
Yeah, because the cop broke it.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands right now. Let me see your hands.
Drag her right through that window. Yep.
Yeah, she's small. She'll fit easily.
I got one.
It's clear. Interior's clear.
One arm. We'll get close. All right.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first. Okay, Juliet 140.
Even Siri's done got her back.
Let me search her real quick.
Pat down. People, you pat down.
And we all good.
All right, get in there.
Looking color, she walked into the wrong house and into the
Yo, if I can get in, I can get in. Can I get in?
13 zones.
Thank you for filming. Babe, I love it.
For crash notifications.
Did you really
think I was gonna stay in front of the car I was parking because this car would have fit through it.
We didn't want you guys. We want you over there.
Look at his watch got ripped off and everything.
That turned into a shooting real quick, Osmendi. It's better letting her go forward. Yeah, go through it. We got nothing so far.
What was she chugging? A root beer?
Celsius. I don't know what that is. Yeah.
Energy drink? Oh, Celsius.
Yeah, Celsius energy drink.
Nah, she had a soda too.
Yeah, she had like a
Turn on your camera and spray her.
Dr. Pepper or something.
Why?
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
What's she doing? Just banging everything?
But she was banging out the window.
She can't break none.
The suspect continues.
Hold on, I got to figure out what he just. They said something when they came up. Let me see what he says.
Turn on your camera and spray her.
Yeah, I'm on, just why.
Oh, you are?
So that's one of those things where they're like, turn on your camera and spray it. And he's like, hey, I'm on. They look at him, they quickly realize, oh, I'm shoot.
Yeah.
What's she doing? Just banging everything?
But she was banging out the window.
She can't break none.
The suspect continues misbehaving in the back seat all the way to the hospital.
Crazy.
Send her here.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Please, please, please.
Put it over.
Sir? Oh, spit mask.
Crazy. You think I don't know you? You think I don't remember you?
How can you remember him? You just started.
Yo, hey! Do not kick me!
Don't.
Kick me in the head! Stop! Stop kicking me!
Stop.
Stop! Kicking the freaking nuts, man.
Did you kick him in the nuts?
Yeah, twice.
Yeah, you deserve to be kicked.
Don't kick again.
You don't need kids. I'll kick you as much as I want to.
Am I getting to move my leg out? Hey.
It might be one of the better things we've heard. You don't need kids after she kicks him in the nuts a couple times.
Oh, I think that's so funny. Like, she's super drunk, but she's got comedy.
She got wit.
You're pretty light.
Oh, thank you, babe. I'm gonna.
All right, up we go. Let's go. Butt in there.
My butt in there?
Yeah, get your butt in there.
Well, what's the difference?
Get in the car.
Why can't I go?
She is drunk.
What the what the
They already went through all the medical and everything, and she's still this.
Oh my God, okay, hold on. Let me.
I mean, I would love to hear what her test blood alcohol level was.
The suspect, Shay, was charged with felony aggravated battery on an officer, felony battery on an officer resisting without violence, and felony
Well, I mean, she was a little violent, but
fleeing with disregard to the safety of people or property. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court.
they didn't even get her for the DUI, at least on here.
That's a little weird.
I would at least have hit her with the DUI, too.
I mean, she really endangered the
And
public.
she was drunk, high, drunk, whatever it was.
Court of law.
This isn't Shay's first run-in with committing felonies. Back in 2022, when she was on her way to pick up her final check after being fired from a World of Beer tavern, Shay was accused of keying profanity onto her former boss's burgundy Chevy Monte Carlo. The damage was estimated at $1,200 according to the arrest report, and she was later arrested at her home for felony criminal mischief. At the time, she was already on probation for a previous burglary charge as well. Regardless of the reason why Shay keeps committing felonies, she continues to be let back out into the public as court records indicate she has posted bond and been released from custody.
This is the problem. You know, let's hear what he says, because he's right. Midwest Safety's breaking it down right now.
Suspects like this who continue a cycle of committing crimes, being arrested, and then being released cost the resources of both police officers and the community. So the question is, how many more felonies need to be committed and repeat offenders to be released before actual effective reform takes place?
Preach, brother.
Don't wake up one day and commit their worst crime. They get there one unchecked decision at a time.
He is spot on. Well said, Midwest Safety. That's the problem. It's not like they wake up and they all of a sudden are hardcore criminals. It's incremental. And then they're never held accountable. And they're released and the judge gives them some break because they were raised poor or the color of their skin or whatever it be. And then ultimately, we then deal with them over and over and over again, and ultimately they end up committing a crime that hurts somebody, kills somebody, all because they were failed to be held accountable.
Well, and a lot of times it's mental illness too. You hear it all the time where they're like, well, they got a mental illness, so they shouldn't have to. It's like, well, maybe they weren't 100%
entitlement
sure
is
what
not
they
a
were
mental
doing,
illness.
but that's not a reason to let people out.
No.
They use that excuse sometimes, though.
This
It's
gal
frustrating.
clearly has a problem. She has an anger problem.
A drinking problem.
A drinking problem. Keyed her boss's car after she picked up her final check. I mean, she's a piece of work. She, I don't know.
It's a girl.
It was she.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
I think it was a she.
Shay I hope Shay gets some help. I hope Shay gets some time so she can.
Is in jail.
Yes, I hope Shay gets some time so she can maybe calm down and get some clarity on her life.
And this is just an example, and Midwest Safety captured it there, where they were like, look, as long as you continue to let these people go, it wastes time and resources of law enforcement to continually to have to go out and hold them accountable. And ultimately, somebody's going to get hurt or lose their life because judges and prosecutors didn't hold them accountable.
Well, and like you say all the time, too, sometimes those little women, the smaller, scrawny women are the hardest to fight.
Well, clearly...
she was kicking him in the nuts. She was fighting.
There's a reason why there's a song about a girl busting the windows out your car.
Well, it's cute when it's in a song. It's not so cute in real life.
Well, that's the kind of emotional outbursts that can be very dangerous in society.
Yeah.
So let us know what you think. What should be her punishment? Obviously, I don't think it's going to be enough.
No.
She's already had other crimes she didn't get punished for, and she already bonded out on this. Well, let's hope that they find it that she needs to be punished and held accountable and learn her lesson. And if it's in prison that she's got to do it, then so be it.
Yeah, get it together, Shay.
Get it together. And McDonald's
has it together for the most
I ended
part.
up eating hers and mine, so.
Well, what are you going to do?
All right. Thanks for joining us again. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
All right, everybody. Thank you for subscribing to, of course, at Real American Sheriff, but also to Lamb Ranch Official channel on YouTube and Little Lambs. My wife's very grateful for it. As you know, we were giving away a watch. We were giving away an identical. This one's mine, but we're giving away a Wasson, W-A-S-S-O-N watch. It's a 250th anniversary commemorative field watch. Awesome watch. It's automatic. And we're giving it away. The winner of this watch is Sarah Torrance. Sarah Torrance, 5504. Congratulations, you won this watch. I wish I had one for all of you guys. Thank you for the support. But Sarah, you're the winner of the watch. We'll get a hold of you if you'll reach out to us, message us. We'll work out the logistics. And next week, we'll send you out the watch. It's sitting there ready for you. So thank you again to everybody. Please keep liking, subscribing, and viewing the videos. We appreciate it more than you know. And we got a lot more to come. So God bless everybody. Thank you again. And Sarah Torrance, congratulations. You just won a watch.